Hey Divas and Divos, it's me, Just Londa, and I brought us the Nude palette. So I do have a giveaway. I'm going to do like a formal announcement, but I'm going to give this away, give one of these away. It's in my drawer over there, along with some brushes. Just to show my gratitude for your subscribing and things like that. Oh, and I'm also going to be giving out lashes. Like I'll do like a formal thing. It's just something that I just wanted to do because one, I haven't done a giveaway in a long time, and two, I appreciate you rocking with us, sister. And I see you new subscribers. What is good? That's what I'm talking about. Don't mind me. I'm feeling much better because in one of these videos you're going to see that I don't feel good at all. So yeah, this look is scrumptious. You know how to come back and say that. Like, look at this look. Okay. I'm rambling. I'm just saying. I mean, oh gosh, I got to hurry up. I wish I had time to go into my husband's job and be like, what's up, boo? But yeah, I don't have time. But yeah, this is the finished look, Divas and Divos. Thanks for watching. Let's go ahead and roll that beautiful baked bean footage. Alright, so for the sake of the video, I've already prepped my eyelids and everything else. Let me make sure we're not creasing. No, we're not creasing. Okay. So I'm going to start in with this color here. We're going to start with this color right here. And with a fluffy brush. Oh, it picks up nicely. Just go into my backdrop. Ooh, that's a red backdrop. Normally, I put my face powder on there, and I hadn't swatched these, so I didn't know that this was going to be pinky red, isn't it? Pink color. Even though in the pan it looks quite brown. I'm gonna take this dual fiber brush and go in with this darker color here. Burp, 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 burp. And actually, I don't know what I'm going to do. That's quite dark. I'm gonna pat this in first. Well, now, and then blend it. I'm going to use the belly of the brush and just keep packing and then blending. And then whatever's left on the brush, I'm going to go towards the middle of the eye. Now don't worry if it's a little blotchy. That's just helping out with the work. I'm going to go with another blending brush, and I'm going to go in between this color. I'm going to use this color to kind of buff out my edges. I'm going to go back with that #1 blending brush and just buff, because this is a great buffing tool. I'm gonna go in with this color right here and put that on the eyelid. Now this is how rose quartz should have been. This looks real. Okay. I like this palette. I wish I got the medium one, but I like this palette. I like this palette way more than those nudes. Like those nudes, not nudes, neons. The neons didn't work for me. But this, ooh, that looks so good. So good. Alright, let me do my base and then we'll come back. Alright, so I got my base on. I didn't contour or anything. I just highlighted and put my foundation on. I have powder everywhere. I'm going to go back in with this color here at the top and blend this down at the bottom of the lash line. I'm going to go in with my brown Scandal Eyes and just line my lower lash line right quick. I'm going to take a pencil brush and go in with this color and this color. Then I'm just going to take that brush again and just make sure everything is blended. Oh. I'm going to take this color right here and put that in the inner tear duct. Alright, so I'm going to line my eye, put everything on, and come back with the finished look. Alright, Divas and Divos, this is the finished look. Oh my gosh, this look. Okay, so on my face, I mainly have Pat McGrath foundation in the color 25. Yeah, in medium deep 25, and I put just a little, like a dab of Fenty 420 into it, just for it to make the long wear. For contour, I have the Juvias Place concealer in the number 3. I also bronzed with my Prime Beauty bronzer. My blush is my Le Femme blush powder palette that I use. Yeah, I don't even know, like, it doesn't have any name for it. It's like a pink and a like a purpley color that I used. Also for my highlighter, I used the MAC Sun Dip Face Compact in the color Light, and I don't know, I have, oh, 2 of these are blushes. So I didn't even know that 2 of these were blushes. I was just using them for highlighters. So I used the pink one blush, it was the pink one and the opal one mixed on my highlight, just to give me a little something something. The lashes are from Pretty Little Glam. I was gonna call it Pretty Little Lash. It's not even Pretty Little, it's just Pretty Glam. Pretty Glam, and that's what I have on my face. So Huda Beauty Nude in the Rich. I'm this close to wanting to get the medium. This close. However, surprise, surprise, and it's over there. I don't have it with me. It's like over there. I'm going to give one away. I'm going to give one of these away. I'm also going to give away some Ardell eyelashes. I've been using 252 for the most part. The other ones I haven't used because I haven't had that much of a dramatic look, but that is coming up soon. And I did do a review on Delium 2s, so I will be also giving away, and it's all that stuff is over there. I'm giving away, I know for sure I am giving away I'm just looking through my dirty brushes because I know that's what I'm giving away for sure. The 785 brush, but I'm giving away the natural hair one. I accidentally picked up the eyeliner brush, so I need to pick up another brush for you to apply it with. And the brush that I'm going to apply that you'll probably get is the 776 brush that looks like a MAC 217. Oh, on my lips, so I did line my lips with ColourPop's Feminist. I could barely see it. Feminist. I used my pink digger in the color Clairemount Road, and then I topped it off with my lip balm from McGrath. I can't think of nothing right now. I did do my buffing technique. That buffing technique is yeah. So yeah. So there will be a formal announcement about the giveaway too. But I like this. Love it. So you tell me, does it look good? Like, it looks really nice. It looks really nice. Like, I kind of regret getting the McGrath palette because this looks so much better than McGrath. So yeah, Divas and Divos, I'm going to go ahead and end this note. Thanks for watching, subscribing, all that jazz that makes me feel so good inside. Peace and peace. Bye.